Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to borrow money on Cash App. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to check if the borrow feature is available for your account and explain what can affect your eligibility. To get started, open the Cash App on your phone and go to the Profile section. Scroll down until you find the support option and tap on it. In the search bar, type the word borrow and check if the borrow feature is available to you. Please note that the borrow feature is not available to all users in the United States. Access to this feature depends on a few conditions, and you may need approval from a sponsor. Keep in mind that accounts under the age of 18 are not eligible to use the borrow feature, and some features in Cash App are not available to minors. Now let's go over the factors that can affect your eligibility for borrowing money on Cash App. First is your state of residence. The borrow feature is not supported in every US state. If you live in a state where Cash App has not made this feature available yet, you will not see the borrow option in your app. Second, having an active Cash App card is important. The card is free to order and activate. Once it's activated, it gives you access to extra features, discounts, and may improve your chances of getting access to the borrow feature. Third, your general usage of the Cash App also plays a role. If you frequently use Cash App to send and receive money, pay for items, or use the card regularly, your account is more likely to be considered for the borrow feature. Another important factor is whether or not you use direct deposit with Cash App. If you have your paychecks or other regular payments directly deposited into your Cash App account, it shows consistent use of the platform and may help unlock the borrow feature. If you've done all the necessary steps and still do not see the borrow option in your app, you can contact Cash App support. To do that, go back to the support section in your profile and use the chat function. Let them know that you believe you meet the requirements for the borrow feature and ask if they can review your eligibility. Wait for their response and they will let you know what steps to take next. That's it. Thank you for watching.